Hello everyone. Welcome back to Primavera P6 tutorial for beginners. In today's practical exercise, we will develop the first and highest position in our organizational breakdown structure, also known as OBS. This position is the chairman. The OBS code is Corporate Executive Chairman. The chairman represents the highest level of authority within the organization and serves as the ultimate corporate governance leader. In our example, the responsible person is Jonathan Reeves from the United Kingdom. The chairman provides strategic direction, executive oversight, and leadership for the entire enterprise. All other executive, regional, departmental, and project-level positions will ultimately connect to this top-level OBS position. Now let's create this position in Primavera P6. Open the Enterprise menu and select Organizational Breakdown Structure. Create a new OBS node. Enter the OBS code as Corporate Executive Chairman. Enter the OBS name as Chairman. Assign the responsible manager. Verify that this position is placed at the top level of the hierarchy because it does not report to any parent OBS unit. Once the information has been entered, save the record. Congratulations! The Chairman OBS position has now been successfully created. Before finishing, always verify that the OBS code is correct, the responsible person is assigned, and the hierarchy level is properly configured. The chairman position forms the foundation of the entire OBS structure and provides the starting point for all future organizational levels. In the next practical exercise, we will continue building the hierarchy by creating the next executive level OBS position. Thank you for watching. This is Daily Dose 24 hours. Learn, practice, excel. See you in the next Primavera P6 practical exercise.
Daily Dose.